The TransNational Merchant Portal is a customized, one-stop account management tool for merchants that is entirely unique to TransNational payments and our processing. To access the Merchant Portal, you will go to our main website, www.gotnpayments.com. Once here, you will select the Reports option from the Login drop-down in the top right. This will take you to your main login page for the Merchant Portal. The username will be the email address provided at time of application or to our customer service team when requesting Merchant Portal access. You will receive a separate email with a temporary password, which will allow you to create a secure password moving forward. Once you click Login, you will be brought to your main dashboard for the Merchant Portal. There are several different options you can choose from on your dashboard. The first that we will visit is the Reports option. Here you'll be able to view information on transactions, statements, as well as chargebacks and retrievals. When you first log in, you will be brought to your overview of the month-to-date volume, as well as year-to-date volume. In the bottom left, you'll be able to see each month's volume broken down by gross sales, as well as the amount of transactions run that month. To the right, you'll see a volume analysis, including your gross sales, returns, net volume, retrievals, chargebacks, as well as keyed in transactions. Anytime you see the export option in the top right, you'll be able to export this information into an Excel spreadsheet, a CSV file, or a PDF. To access your transaction information and chargebacks and retrievals, you will utilize the Processing Data dropdown. Deposit history will allow you to see individual amounts sent directly to your bank account. Batch history will allow you to view the batch reports per terminal. Authorization log will allow you to access information on all attempted transactions. This includes transactions that were both approved as well as declined. If you've processed any refunds for your customers, you'll be able to access that information into the Returns option. Transaction search will allow you to search for specific transactions utilizing the amount, last four digits of the card, and date the transaction was run. Retrievals and chargebacks will allow you to view information on all incoming retrievals and chargebacks. This allows adequate time to gather all documentation needed to defend the case. To access your processing statement, you'll select Statements. You'll be able to choose from months for the current and past year. Once you've selected the month you are needing, click View Statement, and the merchant processing statement will automatically be populated. Here you'll have the option to print the statement, as well as right-click and choose Save As to save it to your computer. Once you're done accessing your statement, you'll click the X in the top right corner. The next feature we're going to review is the PCI Compliance feature. By clicking here, you will be directly site jumped to your PCI tool. You'll be able to check on your compliance status, as well as certify your PCI compliance in full directly. If you have any questions on what PCI compliance is, you can utilize the helpful resources at the bottom of your screen. There's PCI compliance information, useful PCI documents and materials, commonly used PCI terms, as well as frequently asked questions. The third feature we're going to review is the Settings option. Here you will be able to create additional users for your Merchant Portal. To add a new user, you'll click Add New User, enter the individual's email address, first name, last name, as well as one of the following security features: date of birth, social security, or driver's license number. This is extremely useful for our customer service department to be able to ask a security validation question should this individual contact us for help when using the Merchant Portal. You also have the option to choose from several different permission levels. For instance, if you have a bookkeeper who only needs access to transaction information and statements, you will select the Statement option. If you have an IT professional who only needs access to the PCI Compliance, you can select PCI. If the individual needs access to all transaction information, as well as PCI Compliance, you will select Full Access. Once all required information is put in, you will click Save, and that new registered user will be listed here. If you need to remove a user, please contact our customer service department, who will be able to assist in doing so. The final feature we're going to review is the support feature. Here you will be able to create a ticket directly for our customer service department. You will select a general overview of the issue you are having and include a short summary and best contact number to reach you at. Once you've entered all information, you will click Submit, and the ticket will automatically be populated on the left-hand side. You'll be able to log in at any time to view the status of your ticket, as well as all resolved tickets. Clicking Home will bring you directly back to your Merchant Portal dashboard. The Merchant Portal is housed directly in TransNational's website, so you will always have access to all of our useful tools across the top of your screen, as well as our resources in the top right. If you have any additional questions on how to access your Merchant Portal or the features involved, please do not hesitate to contact our customer service department at 888-998-6224.